Finding equations of lines that are parallel or perpendicular to a given line are really not that difficult. We just have to remember the special relationship of parallel lines having the same slope and perpendicular lines having negative reciprocal slopes. Let's take a look at this example. We want to find the equation of a line that is parallel, in this case, to the line 4y minus x equals 20 and through the point to negative 3. Okay, so parallel means I'm going to have same slopes. So what we do is we take the given equation and we solve it for y, because then it's in y equals mx plus b form, and we can identify the slope as the coefficient of x. In this case, the slope is 1/4. And again, if I'm going to find a line that's parallel, I want to use the exact same slope. And we have the point given, so we're going to use our point slope form and say y minus my given y is equal to my slope times x minus the given x. Simplifying and doing a little bit of algebra here, if I can get this away, we are going to find the equation of the line is y equals 1/4 x minus 7/2. It's very similar if I'm going to find the equation of a line that's perpendicular. The big difference is that once we calculate the slope of the given line, we say, no, we want the negative reciprocal of that. So remember, that means you flip it and change the sign. In this case, we'd flip it and make a negative, so it simplifies to just simply a -4. We use the same point slope form and the given point, so y minus the given y equals our new slope of -4 times the x minus 2, simplify it, and we get our answer of y equals -4x minus 5. Now, if you're doing these, it's always good to know how to check yourself. So you could graph both the original function here, the y equals 1/4 x plus 5, and the new one we calculated, the y equals -4x minus 5, in your calculator. Now, I put 2 on here because the first one is in a standard window. Well, that's a little bit skewed because it's rectangular. If you do zoom option 5, you'll square it up. That might make it look a little bit better, but for our purposes, we can tell that that looks pretty perpendicular. It's not a perfect check, but it will help you spot really big errors. Let me know if you have any questions.